So you're someone who's trying to lose weight, but all these complicated things like tracking your macros or figuring out what workouts to do are just frying your brain. Maybe you tried some crash diets like keto or carnivore to lose those weights as quickly as possible, but you either didn't lose any weight or once you stopped that diet, all the weight gained back like a boomerang. If that sounds like your situation, then in this video, I'm gonna show you the laziest way you could lose weight as a beginner. I'm gonna show you how you can lose 5 pounds in your first 30 days without doing anything really that complicated. I know it's pretty hard to lose weight in the beginning when your motivation is kind of playing hide and seek with you. I can relate to it because it took me 12 years to finally find the motivation and commit to starting my weight loss journey when I was over 360 pounds. That was my starting weight. And honestly, I wish someone made a video like this that I was able to watch when I started this journey over a decade ago. And if you don't believe me, then here's a picture of my before and after. So that's why I'm making this video for you right now, for those who are struggling to find motivation to want to lose weight. Because once you start seeing results, you will naturally motivate yourself to want to continue on the weight loss journey. And the only way you will not lose 5 pounds in the next 30 days after watching this video is if you don't stay consistent. So let's get into the video. Number 1, don't overlook the basics. Most beginners are on a quest to find the newest, trendiest, and fastest weight loss method. But the thing is, you don't need to get on any of those quick fix, nonsensical BS. All you need to do is stick with the basics to lose your initial weight, because the basics are for beginners. So what you need to do is get on a caloric deficit. And let me show you the simplest way to do it. The first step is you're gonna get your maintenance calories from this website, or click one of the links in the description below, which would be titled, and you can have a video walking you through step by step on how to do this as well. The second step is start eating 300 calories less than what your actual maintenance is. And stay consistent with this for 30 days straight. So for example, if your maintenance calories is 3,000, you're simply just gonna eat 2,700 calories for the next 30 days. And now how do you know if you're eating 2,700 calories? It's simple. Just use a scale to weigh out the food that you're consuming and Google the number of calories or macros that was in that given food. Do this for every meal, every day, and add those numbers up, and you should be approximately 300 calories less than your maintenance, and you will lose weight. Step number 2, get any type of movement. Look, so you don't have to go to the gym and work out 7 times a day like a kangaroo on caffeine. Unless you want to. All you need to do is any type or form of movement. It could be as simple as going for a walk or doing some jumping jacks in your bedroom until you get a good amount of sweat. Because exercise is just the cherry on top. It's not the whole cake itself. So focus on being consistent on the first step. And then step number 3, commit to this shit for 30 days. The only way you will not lose at least 5 pounds in the next 30 days is if you quit. And the only way you will quit is if you don't stay consistent. So make sure you track your progress every day. Make a checklist on your notes in your phone and track all your diets and exercise every day. This way, you'll have visual proof of your progress. And once you see at least 5 pounds drop on the scale, you will start to motivate yourself to keep going and get the extra weight off. By the way, if you need an accountability partner who will check on you and make sure that you're seeing progress every single day, consistently, and keep that progress off for good. This is just like how I helped Mike go from walking with a cane to dropping over 120 pounds. And how I helped Sammy lose over 120 pounds in just 14 months and feel so confident. This is the body she's always dreamed of. And how I helped Michael drop 90 pounds and feel so confident in the body that he loves. So again, if that's you and you would like the same results, then click the first link in the description to schedule a quick game plan chat with me or someone on my team so we can see if we are a good fit to work together. Thanks for watching this video all the way to the end. You're a real one. I appreciate that. Hope we speak soon. If not, I'll see you in the next video.